Hello, welcome back to the channel. New year, new start. Happy New Year everybody. Today I'm doing a vegan dish. Especially this one is for my daughter who lives in Bali and she's enjoying all the vegan friendly food over there. It's an aubergine and we've got a special aubergine here, striped one and a regular one, and we're going to cook this with a lovely miso paste. So watch along and let's see how we do. See you in a minute. Here we go with a great tasty vegan dish. First of all, cut the aubergines in half and then score them in a criss-cross fashion. When you cut them, make sure that you don't go through the skin. Keep the end of the aubergine on. This is called the CALYX and it also holds the flesh together and makes it easier to handle. Place them into a dry pan. If you used oil, it would just be absorbed and spoil the flavour. Meanwhile, prepare the sauce to coat the aubergines. In a pan, you mix a ratio of 2:1 miso, sugar and mirin and heat this through. By the way, miso is a byproduct of soy sauce and mirin is a Japanese sweet wine. Cook them until they are charred and then turn them over to cook them through. Once this is done, put them on the prepared tray and cover them in the mixture to cook in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to make the spicy green beans. Prepare a shallot and a chilli and don't chop it too finely because you still want it a little bit chunky. Now heat the oil in a wok and then fry off the shallot and cook the beans. Include some of the water as it helps steam the beans. Next, add some chilli. Leave the seeds in if you want it really spicy. Add a good amount of soy sauce and then some sesame seeds. They are then ready to serve. Serve this up on its own or with rice or noodles and then enjoy. Hello, welcome back. That's the dish cooked and it's come out very nice. Be careful with the chilies, can be a little bit hot, so just serve as many as you want or leave them out and it really does taste very nice. I'm serving this up with a glass of Japanese sake simply because I like it. This is really nice and tasty and I think you'll all enjoy it. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you again for the next video. Thanks for your filming, Jack. The last video weren't so good because I did it. See you all soon. Bye.